In this episode of Case by Case, we look at a single court decision that quietly reshaped modern law, an ordinary moment and an unexpected consequence. This is the case that established the modern concept of duty of care. In August 1928, May Donoghue went to a cafe in Paisley, Scotland. A friend purchased her a bottle of ginger beer. The bottle was made of opaque glass, meaning its contents could not be seen from the outside. After drinking part of the ginger beer, the remainder was poured into a glass. Inside the bottle was the decomposed remains of a snail. Ms. Donoghue later became ill. There was no dispute that she had not purchased the drink herself. There was also no contract between her and the manufacturer. At the time, this created a serious legal problem. Under existing law, negligence claims were tightly limited. A person usually needed a contractual relationship to bring an action. Ms. Donoghue had none. So the question before the court became, did a manufacturer owe a duty of care to a consumer, even where no contract existed between them? This was not settled law, and the answer was not obvious. The case eventually reached the House of Lords. The court held that manufacturers do owe a duty of care to the ultimate consumers of their products. Lord Atkin introduced what became known as the neighbor principle. In simple terms, he stated that a person must take reasonable care to avoid acts or omissions which they can reasonably foresee would be likely to injure their neighbor. A neighbor was defined not by proximity in distance, but by proximity in effect. If your actions could foreseeably harm someone, the law may require you to take care. This reasoning removed the strict requirement of a contract, and it fundamentally changed negligence law. The House of Lords ruled in favor of Ms. Donoghue. They recognized for the first time a general duty of care owed by manufacturers to consumers. Although the case itself was later settled, the legal principle remained, and it became foundational. Today, the reasoning from this case underpins negligence law in Australia and other common law jurisdictions. It applies to product liability, medical negligence, professional responsibility, everyday personal injury claims. Whenever courts ask whether a duty of care exists, they trace the logic back to this decision. Modern negligence law did not begin with a statute. It began with a bottle of ginger beer and a snail no one saw coming. This has been Case by Case, a reminder that even ordinary moments can leave a lasting mark on the law.